Minista wa kinandu wa Kenya John Mbadi niwatalan'ya maundu ala Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza yikite nthini wa mivea kivathuan'yo aikathiia kithito cha Musumbi Dr Ruto kuikiithya kana nthi ya Kenya niyasonga na mbee. Mbadi ete Silikali niailitie maundu ma uiti kwisila muvangoni wa SHA kwa ile uimi kwangilanga usiaithya wale wa Kenya kwa ile kisomo mutalatalani wa CBE kwa kanyumba sya bei munini kana affordable housing pamwe na maundu angi. Susan Kabili nokutwalesi.
Mr. Speaker,
Minista muveani wa kinandu John Mbadi niwatumia ivinda ya kusoma budget ya shilingi trilioni 4.8 ili ya mwaka wa uthukumi wa Silikali wa 2026 na 2027 kutalanya maendeleo ala Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza ungua President William Ruto yikite Kuma yalika Utongoi wa mwaka wa 2022.
Yes, order.
Ainene ya mbungeni nene Mbadi niwakathiia Silikali kwa matambia ala yosete kuolela akenya mukua wa ngalama ya mikalile kwisila muvango wa bottom up na bala waweta Silikali ni yailite muvea wa wimi na kutonethia usiaithia wale mwingi va Kenya.
The overall cost of living by lowering the tax burden on essential commodities, tame wastage of public resources, and decisively improvements and assurance that their hard-earned taxes ensures farmers and small businesses, empowers the youth and women, and ensures that public resources are used prudently and transparently. The cost of a 50-kilogram bag of fertilizer declined from 7,500 shillings per bag to 2,500 shillings per bag. The increased production contributed to a decline of retail prices of a 2-kilogram packet of maize flour from an average of 250 shillings to an average of 165 shillings over the same period.
Kavindani ka Mbadi niwaweta kana Silikali niko nite matambia manene muveani wa witi va ayumbula kana kuvikia oyu akenya milioni 3.1 nimeyandikithite wala nyoni wa witi wa SHA.
Access to healthcare has expanded substantially through far-reaching reforms aimed at strengthening primary healthcare, improving service delivery, and ensuring sustainable health financing. A total of 31.2 million Kenyans are now registered under the Social Health Authority, compared to about 8 million under the defunct National Hospital Insurance Fund.
Mbadi niwaende ya kukunia maleve Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa matambia ala yosete kwa lilia akenya mathayo mo tawaki wa nyumba sya nthini na kuukilia amwika kwisila mawala nyoni kivathuan'yo ta ula wa nyota.
The government has accelerated implementation of the affordable housing program to address Kenya's housing deficit, create jobs, stimulate local manufacturing, support MSMEs, strengthen county economies, and improve the quality of life for millions of Kenyans. Mr. Speaker, through the program, number one, a total of 277,281 housing units have been completed or are under implementation nationwide as at May 2026.
Maunduni makisomo Minista wa kinandu mwaweta kana Silikali ni yailite mutalatala wa CBE ula wa imanisio siya yulu kana funding model ikaandika alimu ngilia nemwe na kwaka ila simbe wa ngili 23.
Successful implementation of the competency-based curriculum. Number two, rollout of the student-centered funding model through which nearly 500,000 university and TVET students have benefited from scholarships and loans based on need and merit. Number three, recruitment of 100,000 teachers to strengthen teaching capacity and improve learner outcomes. Timely and consistent release of capitation funds to support learning in basic institutions.
Mbadi ingeni waweta Silikali niko nite matambia manene kuikiithya mwene nthini wa kwata kiwu kithiu cha kunywa na cha kutumia maunduni angi.
Take the FLOCA program, for example. It has broken the barrier in financing locally prioritized and locally led resilience investments in 1,380 wards across 45 counties, benefiting more than 2.5 million beneficiaries. Mr. Speaker, key among the FLOCA gold standard investments are the 58-kilometer rehabilitation of the colonial Yatta Canal in Machakos County, a reverse osmosis water treatment facility in Makueni, and the Kolanya water project in Busia County.
Kukonya serikali cia mutiuko Mbadi ni wasiaka na serikali ya President William Ruto ithitwe ikwatambo serikali cia county kwa kusiongela ilovia na kuleta ilovia isu ibindani ila ya ilite.
Devolution has been strengthened through the consistent and timely disbursement of resources to county governments, ensuring continuity in service delivery and implementation of county development programs. Since 2022, funding to county governments has steadily increased, with equitable share to counties increasing from 370 billion shillings in financial year 2022-23 budget to 428 billion Kenya shillings in the financial year 2026-27 budget.
Gilivoti ya Bilingwa Mauvo, nitawa Susan Kabili.